Hi friends, we are so happy that you are with us today. And right now I will show you how to delete your story on the Snapchat app. So let's go to the watching. The first step is to tap on the Snapchat. And as you can check, we have this icon, a stories icon, which means that you had created some story before and right now it's current, and your friends, if it's your private story, or everyone can see it. So to change it and to delete this story, let's tap on this icon. Right now you got access to the whole account settings, and we need to find the My Stories section. So after picking on the My Story inscription, you can check which stories and when you had created. For example, 3 minutes ago I added some story to my Snapchat. So after picking on it, I can check and I can see the story. Also we have the viewpoint where I can find the number of all of the views. Okay, we have the 0 views, but I definitely want to delete it, so let's pick on the 3 dots icon at the top of the screen and to the first delete snap feature. Also, if you don't want to go to this to see this story, you can hold down the story here and tap on the delete snap feature on this menu. So let's do it and confirm your choice after tapping on the delete. Snap deleted. Okay, so let's check the result. As I can check, we have our usual icon, account icon, and it means that right now our story is deleted and it's not current at all. Guys, I hope that this tutorial was really very useful and you liked it, so don't forget about the likes below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find even more cool tutorials and guides about the Snapchat app and other applications. Good luck! Bye bye!